Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of marginal land. Very important topic in economics. Marginal land refers to land that has limited potential for agriculture or economic use due to various factors such as poor soil quality, steep slopes, dry conditions, lack of water resources, or distance from markets and infrastructure. Such lands are often considered unsuitable for intensive agricultural activities and are often left uncultivated or used for low intensity activities such as pasture or forestry. In some cases, marginal lands may be utilized for non agricultural purposes such as recreation, conservation, or wind or solar energy generation. The concept of marginal land is important in understanding land use patterns and the potential for sustainable land use and resource management practices.